Hi kids. Every year on the 5th of May, I come to your schools and I read a story. This year is a little different. By now, you will hear your mom and your dad and other members of your family talking about COVID-19. COVID-19 is an illness caused by a virus. That is why we decided to close your schools. As soon as we have beat this virus, we will reopen and you can go to your classrooms, you can see your teachers, and of course, play with your friends again. So, although I cannot read to you in person, I still wanted to make sure you got your story. Today, I'm going to be reading for you Sandy, Tosh, and the Moo Cow by Paula and Porter Jones. Sandy and Tosh, no, that's not the beginning of the story. We have to start at the beginning. Moo. One morning, Tosh awoke to loud moos outside. He jumped out of bed and called for his big sister. Sandy, Sandy, moo cow, moo cow. Sandy and Tosh ran to the window and peered out just in time to see the swish of a brown tail disappearing down the street. Tosh wanted to see more. Sandy, Sandy, moo cow, Tosh said, jumping up and down. Okay, let's go on an early morning adventure, said Sandy. Just be careful. Don't get too close, Mom said. Sandy and Tosh headed up the road. They saw 4 lizards, 3 cats, 2 chickens, and lots of grasshoppers, but no cow. So they turned around and headed down the road. They saw yellow birds, pink flowers, gray rats, lots of green grass, and moo cows. Tosh was very, very happy. He saw big brown eyes. He saw the long, swishy tail. He saw the pointy ears. He saw the big, sharp teeth. Wait a minute. Cows don't have big, sharp teeth. Oh, no! It was a huge, scary dog, and he was about to chase one of the cows. And that cow was about to run towards Tosh and Sandy, who very smartly decided to run home. They got there just in time to close the gate and lock out the lizards, cats, grasshoppers, rats, chickens, birds, big scary dog, and brown moo cows. And that's the end. Wasn't that a great story? I hope you enjoyed it. While you're learning from home, be sure to read many stories, as many as you can. Wash your hands often. Do not touch surfaces. Cough into a tissue and throw it away in the garbage. And if you have to sneeze, sneeze in the bend of your elbow. And do not go outside if you don't have to. Keep safe, and happy Read Across Jamaica Day.